today I'm here with Ossilee hair, okay? And I'm super excited to be trying out a wig from this company today. This is the packaging, as you can see. And there's the wig inside. Okay, that's all. Oh, they put the goodies inside of the wig itself, like in the wig bag. So I got a pair of wig caps. I got an edge brush and comb, and I got a pair of lashes. Also, they were sure to send a branded elastic band, you know, great for your lace when you're installing it. And then we have the wig. Oh, this is a wig that we have today. This is a blend of number 4 and number 27 hair color. It's a nice balayage vibe going on. This color, you guys know I'm always gonna love this combination. It's 26 inches long, by the way, and it is a 360 lace front wig. So you see it goes all the way around, so you can feel free to go ahead and put this up in a ponytail. Yeah, this looks good. The construction of this looks pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with how they did everything. It has adjustable straps in the back here, so you could tighten it if it needs tightening. It's also a 13 by 4, but it's a nice, you got a lot of depth working with. Like, I love that. I really love that. And the lace looks like it's pretty easy to work with. It comes pre-plucked. Alright, pre-plucked, and it feels good. You know, it is processed, so it's a little bit on the coarser side. Alright, but it's not like dry, so that's really good that it's not like dry. And yeah, it feels nice and strong. I love that about it. So I am super excited to go ahead and get started on this installation. So now that I showed you guys that, let's go ahead and jump into putting this wig on. This is how we're looking. So definitely I need to cut off some around the ear portion because it's too long. So I'm just gonna use some spray today for installation. I'm just gonna use some spray today for installation. You know, pretty easy and convenient, but I love how the hairline isn't like, it doesn't have a deep graduation, but it still looks good. It's flat, you know, but they did a very discreet type of pluck job on this, so it still looks nice and natural, so I can appreciate that. Before I go any further though, I'm gonna take some of my face powder on the hairline before I go in with my spray, so that in case it's like casty or anything, I can kind of mute that down. So I'll just tap it on the hairline. So as you can see, I don't think I'm gonna do any swoops today or anything. I just want a nice pullback vibe. So I think I do want that you know, that clean, like half up half down. That's what I'm going for today. So I'm just gonna take a portion of the hair, like at the front, and section it off, and I'm just gonna sleek it back, You know, that clean girl kind of vibe? Yeah, that's what I'm going for. No, do I want parting? Should I swoop it like this? I probably could do that. That's what I'm gonna focus on doing right now. I'm gonna get my wax stick to help to pull back everything in the front to have it looking really sleek, and you can see the nice color job and stuff. It looks so good. So good. So I'm just gonna kind of wrap it because I want to have it nice and sleek, and then I'm gonna run through the rest of the hair like with the flat iron once I'm done with this portion. This is what the hair is giving, guys. You see that? Like, really nice clean pullback vibe. It looks good. Yeah. So yeah, I'm doing absolutely no baby hairs today. Just this clean pullback vibe. All I'm gonna do is just literally run through the bottom portion with my flat iron. The easiest thing, the hair feels really nice and sleek already. It's just like, you know, when you know you just can't move on without doing a step, even though you don't need to do it. It's really nice and flowy. See that? So one pass on each section and we're good. I kept it with the, you know, the center part in there, and I just pulled back the rest of the hair. It's so sleek. I feel like you do this kind of vibe if you have a outfit, like you're going for that type of look where it's just sleek, pull back, you don't want to be doing too much but you want to look well put together. That's when you do one of these looks, you know. Ossilee hair did their thing with this. I'll just make the parting a little more pronounced with my powder. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the hair. Very simple, but you know, like that nice clean pullback vibe. Yeah, definitely what I was going for. The hair very much sleek and the movement is really nice. So Ossilee did their thing with this wig, the color job, everything. I remember it's a 360. Okay, you could do a messy I love doing messy ponytails with my 360s for sure. So yeah, I do love everything. The shedding is minimal. There is minimal shedding, so you can definitely note that. But yeah, this is what we're working with, and it's very light and very comfortable, like not heavy. It doesn't feel like overly dense. It's very flat, very easy to style, very easy to install. So those are things to note as well. And you see, it still looks natural even though it doesn't have a deep graduation, so that's really nice. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for tuning in and checking it out. If you found this video informative, please go ahead and give it a like. Also, don't forget to drop your positive energy down below and stay tuned for my next video. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ooh, you take